If you are trying to decide between GPT 5.6 Soul and Cloudy, this video will help you make the right choice. We will compare the performance, coding abilities, writing quality, reasoning, and which one is the better AI for different users. GPT 5.6 Soul Overview. GPT 5.6 Soul is OpenAI's latest flagship model. It is designed to deliver faster responses, stronger reasoning, and better coding performance while handling long conversations with improved accuracy. It also supports multimodal tasks, meaning it can work with text, images, and more depending on the platform you are using. Cloudy Overview. Cloudy, developed by Anthropic, is known for producing natural, detailed writing and maintaining strong context over long conversations. It's especially popular among users who work with large documents, research, and professional writing. Performance comparison. For coding, GPT 5.6 Soul generally has the advantage. It generates cleaner code, explains complex programming concepts well, and performs strongly in debugging tasks. For writing, Cloudy often produces more natural and polished long form content. It is a favorite for reports, essays, and creative writing. When it comes to reasoning and problem solving, both models are highly capable. GPT 5.6 Soul tends to respond faster and performs well across a wider variety of tasks, while Cloudy often provides more detailed explanations. Which one should you choose? Choose GPT 5.6 Soul if you need an AI for coding and software development, if you want fast responses and strong overall performance, if you frequently use images alongside text, if you need an all purpose AI assistant. Choose Cloudy and go for it if you write long articles, reports, or documentation, if you need excellent document analysis, if you prefer detailed, thoughtful responses, if you focus mainly on writing and research. Final verdict. There is no single winner for everyone. GPT 5.6 Soul is the better all around AI, especially for coding, speed, and versatility. Cloudy stands out for long form writing and document focused workflows. The best choice depends on how you plan to use AI every day. If this comparison helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI comparisons, and let us know down below in the comments which model you are using and why. Thanks for watching and goodbye.